So in this video, I'm just gonna figure out what I want to do with my locks today. And most likely I'm gonna retwist before my 2-year mark because I can't take it. I can't take it, y'all. I'm ready for a fresh retwist. It's been since like September, and I think my hair is like, okay, it's about that time. So I'm just spraying some water on my hair, on my edges. Hopefully you can hear me over this fan in this bathroom. I hate that this fan automatically comes on when this light is turned on, but it is what it is. I can't do nothing about it. Okay, I can't do nothing about it. So first I'm just gonna slick my hair. Well, no. I may do a side part. And let some of these locks hang in the front. I'm gonna be looking here in the mirror, but I'm gonna try and angle it. This brush here, this is 24-hour edge tamer. And it's small because I don't use a lot. Ooh, and I like it, yeah. You send chills up my spine every time I take one look at you. Okay, so let's just get this part kind of how I want it to be. And y'all, I think I'm gonna just kind of take this lock here and just. So right here, I'm just kind of retwisting some of the locks that are in the front just so they can lay down and be the way that I need it to be in the front and giving me some sideburns and all. See that slick back? A pimp named Slick Back. Look at them curls, baby, come through on this camera. Of the video, as you can see, I'm just messing around trying to see how I want to style this, because now that I got these edges slicked back, I don't know what I want to do to it. Do I want to put it in a ponytail? Do I want to let one side hang down? I do not know. But what I do know is that you will get more of these videos if you hit that like button, okay? Have you smacked that like button lately? Let this ponytail hang in the back, because I don't know if I try to put it in a bun and I'm gonna let her. So I think that's pretty much gonna do it. Y'all, I've been having a sore throat, so excuse all the sounds and noises coming out of my trachea, okay? But yeah, I think this is gonna do it. I would slick this, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this hairstyle. We about to do a retwist before Christmas, and I'm probably gonna try this new style discovered. So yeah. Oh my goodness. You send chills down my spine every time I take one look at you. Alright, please hit that subscribe button. Okay? The bell notification so that you are notified when I upload another video. And I thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here with your girl. And if you have locks, comment down below how long you've been locked. And if you just now starting, you know, just let me know what you like to see, what you like to know. I like to say that I'm still new to this because I'm only coming up on my second year of being locked. But there are a lot of things that I've learned in the process that maybe I can help you with. What is going on here? But anyways, let me hop off of here and I will holler at you guys another time.